break. Better cost average over 7. And now the push to 703. Board at 7. Okay, we're finding some more support at 7.01, pretty thick now. That's pretty nice. So hang in there if you're in this. 707. Yeah, I'll take that. That's extended off of the 7 break. Okay, we're barely holding 7 now. I'm going to take out another 20%. 6.99, pretty well supported. 7.02, starting to get more supported. Right, I think we may have found support here, so I might hold on to more shares. Yep, 7, pretty richly supported now. Nope, that thinned out. Back to 699. There it is. Now everybody's dumping. I got to get out near my cost average. 692, 93. People are trying to buy it up, but that's a trade over 7 for me. I'm all out. Sometimes you get a good one, sometimes me. That one was potential. Now it can re-break and try and attempt to go to 725, maybe 750. But it probably is asking a lot. I mean, it started at 5.5, hit 7.5. So total of 36% market. I mean, that's not hot. That's not boiling hot. That's not, a 100% pop. You want something over 50%, really. That's what's hot. BRXT also starting to curve up, show some potential. We've got only 3 minutes before the market opens. So a quick market overview here. Hold on, let me type something out for people watching. All right, good. So we've got only 2.5 minutes in order to talk about the market. It is fairly unchanged. Oil at about $103 a barrel, and energy above yesterday's close and below yesterday's high. So we're within the wick. The market itself has been going up. We got housing numbers this morning, and I guess those were in line because there wasn't any radical change. Gold is solid at 1945, and rates are indicating down. But not a lot, just a smidge, but they're indicating downtrend. So that could be good for growth, the Qs. So today might be an upwardly adjusting day. Let's see what happens. I gotta watch Target also a little bit like a hawk because I might want to add. And then Netflix. Give it 10 minutes to take direction, grab some short, and then by the end of the day, we'll either add on or cut, or tomorrow we'll add on, follow through. All right, 1 minute and 30 seconds until the market opens. With CRXT curving up before the open, I'm going to put that on the high frequency monitoring system. With regards to Netflix, yeah, to get a little after 10 minutes if it breaks in the whatever direction it breaks in. First swing, shares. All right, 30 seconds until the market opens. Three, two. All right, CRXT starting to build up some momentum. Getting into CRXT, you might be finding a halt. ALVN attempting to run. Watch out if it doesn't. Getting some position over there. Getting some more CRXT. ALVN. Trying to see if we can get over 7. Wants to be above 7. Can it? It's starting to fail. Right? I'm cutting. Getting all out on ALVR. Did I say ALVN? I think I did. Alvin. All right, CRXT, moving over to CRXT, going to work that position. If some dips come up, I will add. There goes CRXT, taking some on the momentum for the push over 2. There it is, the push over 2. Nice strong push over 2. And all right, I'm fully located there. 2.06, 2.07. Taking a little bit off as soon as any of the bids drop. There we go. Or more. We're back below 2. Okay, we're starting to find some support at 2. And looks like I'm going to get my target add-on right now. And we've got a couple other swing alerts to look at. All out CRXT at my break even. ALVR trying to go again. IO starting to curve up. Grabbing a starter over there. LT, I had that up. Why is that not up? What's going on with TBLT, Javier? Can you be a little bit more descriptive so I can think whether or not I should grab it or not? All right, IO certainly wants to get over $1. So I'm going to plant some seed there. RXT just, it wants to, but it's just not happening. IO, what are you going to do? IO, it looks like it's going to try and break the pre-market highs. Set up well for that. IO. ALVR struggling to get over that 720 region. RXT with a massive pullback. That burned a lot of people, and I believe it'll just only go down from here now. CRXT. Picking up a little bit more on IO on the dip there. We are supported by a lot of previous price action in the last 1 hour in the lower 7s on IO, lower 70 cents. So I'm at max full bore margined leverage allocation on target. There goes IO. It wants to break pre-market high of 0.86. When it does, that's going to be blue sky. And you'll want to be able to take profits pretty quickly. There goes ALVR. Nope, trying. It's trying to get over 720. Just can't do it. It looks like the last straw. As huge 25-cent swing went through. Bird. Okay, IO starting to press up now. Get into that 86 region. Breakout, pre-market high. That's going to create a lot of momentum. And it will trigger a lot of breakout traders. Interim push. Checking out alerts. Asai. We've got several alerts over here. AMR, which I really don't. We can have high projected volume. Not showing on that for some reason. IO picking up some on the dip here. ALVR is failing out now. Okay, there we go. No, low volume. It's not really a breakout. Raytheon looking good. Whoever's in Raytheon, you can add to it. There goes ALVR. I'll take a little bit on that breakout. We'll see how it feels. Now, over on Netflix, we are now 7 minutes into the open, and it looks like it's going to break to the downside. There goes ALVR, some more, adding. Pushing to 740s, it looks like. Whew, a huge pop on ALVR. Oh, it's going to halt at 782. It appears. Oh man, 782 halting going on right now, and I just don't have enough shares. I wish I did. And we're halted on ALVR. All right, who's in? I hope some of you got a big allocation on that breakout at 7.2. Sitting at opening at 788 now. Who's in? Ah, nice. Got the Encyclopedia Chart Patterns. Way to go. That'd be this book right here. Excellent, excellent book. I gotta turn that. There we go. Helpful for swing trades mostly. However, it does give you a lot of insight about how these chart patterns work. All right, so that last one, I wanted to check the rate of return on that. Nope, no bueno. Este, checking that out. Could just barely be worth it. Just barely. Missed the halt entry, looking for a possible entry after. All right. Gary's in. All right. SST maybe a runner today. I'll pull that up over CXRT. Push over 13 there. Lightening up on IO now as it's starting to fail out. Yeah, I would get all out of IO except my computer system show on this penny stock level. Okay, I am all out. Yes. Okay, good. All right, back to ALVR. That'll be coming out of the halt in about 2 minutes, indicating to open at 782. That's exactly where it's at. I'm going to set up some laddered exits while we're sitting here. Okay, it can really swing when it opens up. So I've got buy orders underneath. I've got sell orders on top. And I'm going to let the whole thing play out. Okay, we're going to be opening up in about 45 seconds on ALVR. Yeah, the Netflix trade is on. Short. So take $12 a risk on that. Short. All right, we got 20 seconds till ALVR opens up. Thanks, man. Did you get some? Are you winning, bro? Nice. So I'm able to buy it. Oh, no kidding. Oh, that's pretty cool, Jason. All right, here we go. Boom. Should open now. There we go. It's hitting 8. I've already got some orders there. It sold some. and we're pulling back, so that's where it would automatically buy for me. ALVR definitely got hot. And IO just totally dumping, by the way. SST dumping. BRQS, nothing to talk about. Nothing to write home about. ALVR, definitely a top mover right now. ALVR going into a pullback resting mode. Maybe it'll hang out here at 775 for a little while before popping again over 8. A lot of support at 7.1, so that's about around where I would get back in heavy add dip. Our orders already there. I mean, that's, you can place your orders ahead of time. I've got about 15 orders set up on it. A bunch on the buy side below and a bunch on the sell side above. Left side 0.6. Whoops. Back screen. All right, there we go. That was a supportive buy right there on ALVR. W. Nope. SYY. All bright. I'll check on that in a minute. The market dropping pretty strongly. Apple, Tesla, Amazon wants to go test the bottom of the range. I can see where that's coming from. Not oil. It's not rates. Nothing indicating in gold. This is just trading. Testing ranges. ALVR starting to pick up some steam again. Trying to get over that 8 level. Failed to the tune of about 40 cents. It's a pretty wide fail. That's not going to make anyone happy, that's for sure. A lot of people probably bailing right now. It can be a good spot to get in on the dip. You can just giving their shares to others. One of my buy orders just went through as well. CEI breaking out. Okay. Like CEI as far as momentum goes. All right, SYY rate of return. DTM. Nope. RJF. All right, CEI's having some pullback right now. On RJF. And all right, you might be able to buy some CEI here around 1.05. ALVR getting bought up off of that 740 level, hitting the 50s and 750s. Yes, on day is looking pretty decent, except now it's pointed down on the day. Oh, there, now it's going up. Not on breakout volume, so that's not an entry on day. But that's a good one to stock here. I'll move my alerts up on it. Done. No, fell through support on CEI. You should exit. Don't even be in that one. That's not a good sign. Wait for a rebreak possibly. Growth continues to drop. Industrial's doing just fine. So bit of a move to defensives. Consumer staples and utilities holding well versus communications, technology, and discretionary, consumer discretionary, all moving down strongly. So this is a growth pullback. There goes ALVR for another attempt, another continuation attempt. Really a lot of volume going on right now. Quite the battle on ALVR around the 7.8 level. Can't get past 7.9. Needs to do so if it's going to get over 8. All right, yeah, and hopefully you guys shorted Netflix about what was that, 15 minutes ago? Yeah. Confirmed continuation on Netflix. ALVR is going to test 8. We'll increase some if we can get over 8. 790, 785, 793. It's really fighting around the 7.9 level now. Indo on watch. Okay. Thanks. Yeah, isn't earnings at the end of the day today on Tesla? When is Tesla's earnings? Today. Yeah. So yeah, I believe this is a good opportunity to get in on this dip on Tesla. I mean, Tesla is one of the top leading growth companies in the world. So it is most likely going to post inline earnings or have some good excuse for missing and some excellent guidance. Can't get anything but excellent guidance from a super growth company. Yeah, that's right. All right, ALVR starting to get some action going here. But can it get over 8? Doesn't look like it. 2 minutes in a row now, and it just can't get over 7.9 or 8. Back. Still struggling with these 80s and the 7.8 level. That was my late to the party Netflix short right there. Oh, yeah. I mean, I just got into Netflix short, but you're definitely getting in at a higher risk here, so you know how to manage that risk. But yeah, the right point to get into Netflix or any huge earnings break like that is 10 minutes breakout after the open. Only 20 minutes late. Plus, I may add on at the end of the day or tomorrow upon continuation. Like everybody's bailing on ALVR. About half out. Waiting to see if this gets bought up. No, it doesn't look like we're now entering the 750s. I'm all out. I'll take a break at 8. Back in on a break at 8. I'm out for now. Somebody wanted me to take a look at something. We are getting some buying now. We had previously flushed out all those sellers. There we go. We are up and over 8 on ALVR. That was what it took. Oops, wrong button. There we go. ALVR is at 825 and trying to go more. 845, 850. ALVR. I'll pick up some more. Ooh, I wanted to pick up some more at the 18s there. Yeah, LLLP was running yesterday too, but it was pretty sloppy and low volume, if I remember. Let's see what it looks like today. Too bad. But that's a pretty high volatility top signal right there. I'll keep it on watch. Thanks. Which one reminds you of Veru? LLAP or ALVR? WINT completely failed out. Yeah, there was no trade that triggered there. Yeah. Oh, ALVR. Mm-hmm. All right, here goes ALVR. It's starting to get up and over 620s, 630s. I mean, 830s rather. Only pay attention to the last couple digits sometimes. LLAP with a turnaround candle. Potential entry there. Pretty low volume though. ALVR might be moving to break 851. Like to see it get over 8 into the 840s for that push up to happen. And then it ought to break new high. LLAP is continuing. No, now it's starting to sell off. And I remember it had this really bad liquidity a feeling to it. When you start getting in there, you start trading it, pretty thin. By the time you get out, you're just going to be break even. Not a lot of other people are with you on that trade. Max says there was a dip buy potential on Roku there. All right, 835. Ooh, we started to get really close to the 840s on ALVR. We're in the 8 teens, buying it up in that level right there. Somebody asked about IBM. Yeah, IBM doesn't look like it's going to give you a very good return. You can get 9% in I bonds right now. This is going to provide you much less than that, IBM. And the I bonds are 100% guaranteed. Total capital preservation. Can't beat something that gives you the same return or more for less risk. Then you don't put money into it. LAND was a huge sell-off today. Very strong projected end of day volume. You should get out of that if you're in it. LAND. You're welcome, Meta Tarzan. Is that you, Dennis? Dennis, did you get back in? Good. Dennis says, no, I'm not Meta Tarzan. All right, got a stock to look at here. SCI. Okay. No good there. AFLAC. Tell, I'll check Tell in a second. Oh, ALVR has dipped below 8. Initially, I'll pick up some shares here, but if it isn't supported, then I'll have to lighten up. Okay, AFLAC's no good. GNK. Yeah, GNK wouldn't even provide a good return, Jack. 0.6% per day. And today's a strong pullback. Too great, but it's still within recent candleage, so not too bad. Okay, well, you could size down now, on multiple reasons. Possibly size down. I don't know where you got in, or if you want to hold it. With 0.6% projected return per day at best, might be better off waiting for something else. A bit more octane, a little more juice to it. LLAP halted up. All right, Gary. Hate that sound. LLAP. Let's take a look at that. Boy, it really went. Hope you guys caught that. The point in which to enter that I mentioned was 6.4. Now it's at 7.63. Who got that LLAP run from 6.4, where I mentioned to get in? No, I don't. El Puno. Don't trade it or have any. This ASI does have potential. ASI, ASAI. Might be worth getting a starter today on that. What happened? I think the dog or the cat brought in a dead mouse or something. LLAP. All right, started trading. It's very hard to get into. It sounds like the dog brought in something bad. What happened? Oh, really? The dog caught a bunny? Lilo, let me see. Do you have it in your hand? Oh,
he brought it into the house. I was, what is that?
Oh, look at this baby bunny, guys. Oh, oh, come back here. Oh, he ran off the table. All right, close the door so the cats don't come in and bite him.
He already bite it all
And
over,
yeah,
I guess.
close that door there, and we'll keep him in here. He'll be my little friend for the day. Oh, that's too funny. Oh, well, if you can find it, go give it back to the mommy. But I'm trading right now. Yeah, that was really cute. Huh? Close the door if you're going to try to look for it so the cats don't come in. He probably went under the bed. They're trying to get in, honey. They're going to bite it. All right, getting all out of LLAP. He jumped off my desk, so I don't know. Did you find him? All right, let me hold him again. It's so cute. I know. I got to figure out how to hold it without letting it go. Oh my goodness, is that not so cute or what? Hello. Oh, the poor thing is squeaking. It's okay, buddy. I've got a bunny. Oh, he just peed on me. A very nice warm feeling. All right, take the poor thing. It's peeing to death. Give it to the mommy. Oh my God, it has so much pee for such a tiny animal. And close the door out there. Don't let the animals go out. Oh my God. Nice and warm. Huh. Actually has no smell. So, but it was not, it was pretty brown pee, I must say, you guys. But it wasn't poop, right? That was just adorable. I wanted to hold it and keep it as my own. But she said that the mom is right outside and probably very concerned. Of course, they do breed like rabbits. Literally. They could spare one, don't you think? Like, no way, that's Leticia. That's my little baby. Give her back. He was like, you are my daddy. See if there's chocolate inside. There was. In about 15 minutes, you'll be like, what the fuck is that smell? Oh, really? All right. I guess you know, huh? Too funny. I hope you took a loss on LLAP if you got in. Uh, Good idea to get out when the thing goes against you. I don't even know how that thing is alive. I think she said that, oh, the cat brought it in. Cat caught it. The cat would have just played with it all day until it was dead. The way it sounded like, I thought the cat caught a full-grown bunny. I was like, what? At first I thought the dog dragged in a bunny. But that dog is useless. It can't catch anything. You can barely see 20 feet ahead of it. I throw a ball and it's like, where did it go? Where did it go? And it's bouncing all in front of it. And he's like, well, I don't see it. Where is it? So of course it was the cat. You learn so much from TikTok. I think I saw one where it talked about how, depending on the shape of the iris of the animal, it makes it a predator. What's up? Somebody talking? Was that there? No. Okay. Somebody was talking, I thought.
I don't think my mic was on, but CRXT is up again.
Yes, it is. CRXT is starting to make a run. A run for the border. It's trying to break out of the pre-market highs at 2.09. It's already over 2. At the 2 level. Wow, what a delay. I mean, I got in, like when I said, it was like 6 seconds later before the Thinkorswim system actually acknowledged that I had gotten in. CRXT starting to fail out. Pull back a little bit. There's a long way down, so I'm just going to go ahead and get all out. And I'd get back in around. Yeah, Michael, I'm starting to smell that now. Is that my wife saying that it's not a toy? Not a toy. Can't teach a cat not to catch a mouse. Can't be like, they are our friends. I mean, you can have a few pet mice, I guess, and monitor it, but can't remove that instinct, you know? Man, I'm going to have to take a shower. To catch the mice that run in from the fields. Sounds like you live in a pretty cool place, Rebecca. All right, CRXT is back above 2, so we'll try again. The dog is scraping at the door. Come on, let me go play with it. Come on. All right, CRXT is now about to break the high. There it is. There's the break of the high on CRXT. Going to sell 10% right away. 210. 214. The high of 215 in effect. 217. Excellent. All right. Another 10% in the upper two teens there. CRXT pretty hot at the moment. FMC, no, that's not going to be an alert. DVA. The high is 222 at the moment on CRXT. Couple sell orders. Should it go? Going to come down and test 2, it looks like. Do I think it's a good time to buy Netflix? Netflix is dead money. That company's over. They're resorting to all kinds of desperation and type of pricing models now. It's dead. There goes CRXT with some momentum. Looks like it's going to break 2.22 high. There we go. Got my automatic sell order set up. Where's my next order? Got some at 230, 235, 240, those areas. It's something around 225. What he said. No. What he said. Yeah, no, I just, you'll always be up against it. You'll be up a little bit and then boom, you'll be down a lot. Then you'll be up a little bit from there and then boom, down a lot. Then you'll be up a little bit. So it'll be a never ending, Disney's going to buy Netflix in like 3 years for like $20 a share. Done. I mean, they made a huge mistake like 7 years ago, whatever that was, when they started creating content and decided to become a movie studio. That there's just tons of competition for that. They could have been the only streaming aggregator, the number one top quality streaming aggregator in the world. They chose to use shareholders' money not for that purpose, but instead to become a movie studio. There's so much competition in that, and the risk of making movies and TV shows that you're going to have a hit, it's almost always a losing proposition. That's just bad business model. I'm not investing in that. Go check it out for yourself. Go get some Sony, Universal, some these different companies. BRXT is back to 2. And I'm getting all out. That's my break even right there on CRXT. I'll wait for it to do something more interesting to get back in. Let it base out here if it needs to. What does rabbit urine smell like? So let's see. Almost gone really. But I would say like kind of like that farm smell, or like it does smell a little bit like probably those little poops that they make. But you know, have you ever been to like a farm where they have like sheep and like llamas and like bunnies? I think it smells like that. Like, you know, there's like hay and they peep and they poop on it. And there's that smell of animal, of farm animal, but not like pig, you know, but that's what it smells like. It's worth it though. I got to hold a baby bunny for next to Easter, Passover, spring. Like, wow, that was just wonderful. And caught on video forever. It was worth it. It's unfortunate we couldn't keep it, that the wife told me there was a mom outside, because my daughter wants a bunny. You know, we could have kept it in a cage, got some, you know, food, got the whole thing, trained it, kept it, and had a bunny. That's all right. I bet they were eating our flowers. We just planted a lot of flowers. I don't know what they like to eat. Probably eating the leaves or something. Delicious low-lying fruit. All right, you guys. Other than CRXT, I don't see much happening. Actually, it's starting to curve up towards 224 breakout right now. I know it doesn't. That's not quite the pattern we want to see. There was a large red candle back there. Okay, guys. So that's it for the morning session. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the trading community there. Oh, I forgot to alert Asai. Here we go. Have a good morning, all. You're welcome, Mike. I'm going to go take a shower.